Hey, what's up, guys? I just got here to one of my investment properties to do some work, and I had to get this video out right away about a new program Biden just passed that allows every business that you create between now and December 31st to get a $3,000 tax credit. That is money you can use this year on your taxes. And here's the thing, you're limited at 10 businesses, so that's $30,000, and it's per individual. First thing I'm doing tomorrow morning is I'm going to create 10 limited liability companies for myself, claim that $30,000. Now, in order to do it, there's a special link that you have to go to claim your $3,000 tax credit. And oh, one other thing, April Fools. Listen, hey, if you made it this far and you've been wondering, does that really happen? Of course it doesn't. But here's thing, attend my one-day tax and asset protection workshop where I'm going to teach you real strategies on how to save money using business entities and not some pipe dream like I just talked about. Take care.